Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share corn vada recipe. Many of us find difficulty in making vada with sweet corn. So let's see how to make it very easily. Before starting our recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Ingredients required: half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of salt. Oil for deep frying. Green chilies, curry leaves, 1 full garlic, 2 cups of corn kernels. Now add corn to mixer jar and blend it roughly. Strain all the juice from the corn. I am using sweet corn, so it has too much water in it. Keep the corn paste aside. And now add green chilies, cumin, garlic and blend it to fine paste. Add chili paste to corn. Add some salt. Mix it and now add some rice flour. Mix all the ingredients very well. Take pan and add oil for deep frying corn vada. Heat in medium flame. Take corn paste in your hand. Make a ball with your hand and press the corn paste ball on the other hand and make a hole in the middle. Now gently add this to heated oil. Don't disturb this for few seconds. It might break in middle. Now add few more. Now slowly flip vada other side. Fry till they turn golden brown in color. Remove vada from oil and keep aside. This super soft crispy vada tastes very good. Try it and enjoy eating every bite with your family. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching.